Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you're looking for a way to measure market volatility and spot potential breakouts before they happen, then you need to understand the Donchian Channel Width indicator. All right, you can see the indicator right here on my chart. Okay, the DCW for short. Now, this simple yet powerful indicator helps traders visualize how price action is expanding or contracting, okay, giving clear signals about market momentum and trend strength. So in this video, we're going to be covering everything you need to know about Donchian Channel Width, including how to read it, when to use it, and how to combine it with other indicators for stronger trade setups. All right, let's just quickly get started. Now, what is Donchian Channel Width? Okay, the Donchian Channel Width is a volatility-based indicator that calculates the difference between the highest high and the lowest low over a chosen period. Now, it is derived from the Donchian channel, which is widely used to track market trends and breakouts. Here's how it works, yeah? When the Donchian Channel Width rises, when the Donchian Channel Width indicator rises, it shows that volatility is increasing. You can see what happened here, right? You can see what happened here. You can see that there was an increase in volatility at the time when we had the surge, when we had the spike in the Donchian Channel Width. Now, guess what? At this point, again, when the Donchian Channel Width rose, you can see that there was also an increase in volatility about this point, about this time, right? Let's just look for some other examples. All right, you can see again what happened here. You can see the increase in volatility identified by the Donchian Channel Width indicator. You can see another volatility period again that we had around here, right? So it's super easy to identify. Okay, it signals that it signals a trend continuation or a breakout. All right, it could be that there is a trend continuation or a breakout. Okay, you can see what happens. You can see that we had some breakouts around those, those points where we had the Donchian Channel Width increase. Okay, you can see here we had a breakout, right? All right, so it's important to pay attention to that. Then when the Donchian Channel Width declines, when it declines, price action could be tightening. Guess what? Look at what happened around here, right? You can see what happened around here at the time when the Donchian Channel Width was going down. You can see again what happened here when it was going down. You can see that we had a period of consolidation around here. Can you see that? Can you see that when it was going down again here, you can see what we had around here, a period of consolidation again. Okay, so it's important to pay attention to whether the Donchian Channel Width indicator is rising or falling. Okay, so traders use the DCW to determine if the market is in a trending or a ranging phase, allowing them to adapt their strategies accordingly. Okay, now how do you use the Donchian Channel Width in trading? The Donchian Channel Width indicator is quite an effective tool for spotting breakout opportunities, okay, and identifying trend strength. All right, so here's how traders can use this particular indicator, yeah, in identifying low volatility zones. Because when the Donchian Channel Width rises, when it rises, it signals that price action is becoming tight. Sorry, not rises in this case. When it falls, right? When it falls, it signals that price action is becoming tighter. Okay, because this is an example, right? When it falls, it shows that price action is becoming tighter. When it falls, it shows that price action is becoming tighter, forming a consolidation or a ranging pattern and thereabouts. Okay, often forming a compression phase before a significant breakout. All right, so traders can look for confirmation signals such as increasing volume or momentum indicators before entering a trade. Okay, so you can use this indicator to identify low volatility zones, right? Low volatility zones. Then you can use this indicator to spot breakout signals, right? A sudden rise in the Donchian Channel Width often means that the market is making a strong move. So when you notice a sudden surge or a sudden rise in the Donchian Channel Width indicator, it shows that the market is making a strong move. So if price breaks above a resistance while the DCW rises, it can confirm an uptrend continuation like what we had around here. Okay, on the other hand, if price breaks below a support, right, like what we had around here, if price breaks below a support with rising DCW, it may indicate a downtrend is strengthening. All right, now you can also use this indicator to filter false signals to an extent, right? Now it's important to note that not every DCW rise results in a breakout. Okay, there is no indicator out there that guarantees profit. There is no indicator out there that is 100% accurate. So that is why you need to know that not every DCW surge or DCW rise might lead to an expected breakout, right? It might not lead to the kind of result that you're expecting, okay? Not every time, at least. So combining Donchian Channel Width with indicators like maybe moving averages, RSI, or volume indicators, can actually help you confirm your trade setups, okay, and limit fake outs as much as possible, right? Now, talking about the best settings for the Donchian Channel Width, actually, the best settings for the DCW depend on the type of market that you are trading, right? For short-term traders, scalpers or day traders, you can consider to change the length from 20 to 14, right? You can use a 14 period Donchian channel for faster signals. But if you are a swing trader, you can use the default 20 period. Okay, the default 20 period setting works well for catching mid-term trends. All right. Then if you are a long-term trader, you can actually change this to 50. You can change the length to 50, okay, in order to track major market movements. All right. So supposing the Donchian, let's just look at an example really quick. Yeah. Supposing the Donchian Channel Width has been maybe moving sideways or falling. Maybe it fell and they started moving sideways for several days, like the example we can see around here, right? Okay, in this case, it was actually, moving for, okay, this is the 15-minute chart. Let's just go to the 1-minute chart, right? I want to explain something real quick. Okay, so let's say it was moving for a couple of days. Oh, well, this is still 17th March. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, this was 21, 23, 24. Okay, now this is good. Okay, so suppose that the Donchian Channel Width has been perhaps moving sideways, like what we can see here, for several days, signaling low volatility. Then suddenly you have a spike, and the price breaks maybe above a resistance or below a support. In this case, it was below a support, right? In this case, it was below a support as the DCW rose suddenly. So this expansion confirms an increase in bearish momentum, right? It confirms an increase in bearish momentum at the time, right? So it could be an ideal, entry point for a breakout trade. So at that time, if you had found the, an opportunity right after the breakout occurred, you can see it was consolidating for a while. Then right after the breakout occurred, if you had found a good opportunity, perhaps you would have entered the sell somewhere around here. And then you just exit. You exit at maybe the next resistance zone. All right. Support zone, I mean. Yeah. Around the next support zone. Although in this case, the price just merely touched this particular, zone where the previous key level was. Price just merely touched it. So once you notice that the DCW has begun to fall again, now it could be a time to exit yourself. All right. So in that case, perhaps you would have caught you would have caught this move all the way from perhaps this point to this point, right? And I've caught it from this point to this point. Okay. So the Donchian Channel Width is quite an effective tool for spotting breakouts analyzing volatility and confirming trend strength. By using this indicator alongside other technical tools, traders can improve their market analysis and make more confident trading decisions. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth technical analysis videos. Turn on notifications so you never miss a trading strategy update. Have you used the Donchian Channel Width indicator before? Drop a comment below and let us discuss how it has helped you trading. See you in the next video and happy trading.